Hello, this is my quick review of this Amaran Edge LED LED panel, and this one actually more created for like streamers, bloggers, so you can actually put the soft light on yourself while you're streaming or maybe you're filming something. And this is supposed to be very super soft light, so yeah, let's actually mount it up and see how much we like. So yeah, here you can see we install our light. It also comes with a charger, so we can turn it on very quick. So here we plug it in and you can just turn it on and off right here. It's super easy. But I also like that you can actually choose, do you want more warmer light, or for example, you prefer more cooler light, or just something in the middle. And you can make it like way more dimmable. I mean, like, look, we just almost like turned it off. Or you can make it like super bright. You can actually see it right here. So I can turn it and point it in my face, so it will be a little bit more easy to see, and I can just turn all of the lights around so we can at least have a very good visual. And it's still a little bit bright outside, as you can see, but right here I'm actually be able to control the brightness. You can see like it's very, very dark. Versus look at it right now, it's way more brighter. It's more in a warm tone right now, but we can actually turn it more to the cooler tone. You can make it less dimmable, so it's a little bit more easy on your eyes. But overall, I think this would be like great addition if you're streaming, vlogging. You can just put like a camera in front of you. It will really lit your face very, very nicely, or you can just also use it for the products or to showcase something. Or if you're gaming or just streaming, you want that nice drop of the color on your face so it looks way more nicer. I love this light. This is such a great addition. And I also added the SmallRig adjustable arm right here on my table, and I was actually able to move it with this ball mount. I was actually able to move it a little bit more towards me, or you can move it like all the way down, or you can see I can unscrew it right here and completely like lay it flat. Let's say if I'm doing some product reviews and I need more light specifically on a product, or if I'm doing it on my face. And here you can see it's really dark outside, and look how much light this light gives right on my face. So if you're doing video streaming, if you're doing some Zoom chats or anything, you can adjust brightness, you can adjust the color temperatures. This is like super bright. So if I can just even go probably like around 30%, it's way, way better on my face. That's such a good light. I love it. So if I'm just streaming or doing some head talking videos or something, this would be perfect for lightening source. And another point I want to mention very quick, I absolutely love these knobs. It's literally so easy to control. It's just two knobs, one brighter, one more dimmable, another one you can just control like the temperature on it. Or another option you can have, you can just download the app and control it through the app. Overall, I love this light. I think it's a great addition for any space. Highly, highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.